Improved data security. More users access the data, greater the risk of security. When we have a data, suppose your class notes, when you share the class notes to more than one of your friends, or you allow your class note to be shared among many students, many friends in your class, then there is a possibility that knowingly or unknowingly the record in your note may be corrupted or may get damaged. Now, the data security can be improved. How to improve the data security, or how to improve the security of your when you have written when you have written the class notes, and when you share the class notes to more than one user, or to more than one of your friend, then is it possible that the record can be logged? Now, what we mean by the record can be logged is, we see that when we share records, we can, not in a class note, but using a advanced sharing and note writing system, where every subject can have its own private section, where the friend with whom you share the record know the login credentials, then your data can be made secured. Better data integration. Data integration means that when we have various means and various formats of data, then the data can be integrated into one segment. By data integration, we mean that various formats of data are managed into a singular unit with a data memory, which can vary from frames used by one user with frames used by another user. Minimize data inconsistency. Data inconsistency means that when there is a record which contains redundant words, then to segregate the redundant word, with the data system continuously scans through the data record and finds inconsistent records. The inconsistent record, like the name of a person, can be same for working in a company, or when it's a part of a educational institution. So to differentiate between the two person, another ID can be associated with each individual person, that minimize the inconsistent data. Improved data access. By improved data access, we mean that when we collect the data, or set the data, or reset the data using the query, then the data accessed is free from locks and does not have a mutually shared access with another record that may be possibly using the data accessed by the current user. For example, if we are accessing a bank record, and someone is adding some balance amount, and someone is debiting some balance account, then it should be noted that if the balance account is 0, then the debit should be not allowed. Then if the credit is allowed first, and then the debit should be allowed. These are some of the possible measures which the DBMS takes by itself to to minimize the errors in data access.